Hey there guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I want to share with you this lovely punch recipe, and I have to admit that I'm actually sipping this while editing this video. So if I talk some nonsense, you know why. But this is an absolutely delicious recipe, even though the ingredients are a little bit wild. So let's get started. You want to start out with some brown sugar in your pan, and you want to heat it up with medium heat and let it caramelize a little bit. Meanwhile, you want to cook some black tea for about 5 minutes. So you want to let it sit for about 5 minutes. When your sugar is starting to caramelize, you want to go ahead and add in your liquids carefully, because it gets really hot and you can see that it reacts a little bit. So you want to add in your wine, the black tea, and the orange juice. You want to go ahead and get the zest of a lemon and also an orange. You want to pour in the lemon juice, the zest, and some orange juice as well. This is fresh orange juice, the other one was store-bought. So this is some cinnamon and then also some cloves, and I always like to put these in these little tea eggs so you don't have to go hunting for them in the end. You can also add a little bit of vanilla extract. Then you want to cut down the chocolate, and all the exact measurements are listed down below as always. You want to add that in. And you want to cut down the marzipan, which is the star of the show here. Again, cut it into very small pieces and put those in. Yummy. Now you can stir quickly, and then you want to let that simmer on low heat for about 15 minutes. When you're done with that, you can go ahead and get out the cloves and the cinnamon stick. And then you're ready to sift it. I don't know, what would you call that? So you want to get off all the nasty big bits and only get the liquid. Pour it into a bottle or a glass, whichever you prefer, and then you're ready to enjoy. So this is a lot, so this will last for about 10 cups of it. You can also add a little bit of rum. I didn't show that here, but you can just pour it in at the end because some of the wine is cooked out. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this, and I'll talk to you tomorrow. Bye.